Welcome to Marvel Rivals. Today, we're diving into the world of heroes and focusing on one of the most iconic mutants in the Marvel Universe. Meet James Howlett, also known as Logan or Wolverine. With his regenerative healing factor and adamantium claws, Wolverine is a force to be reckoned with in Marvel Rivals. Get ready to unleash your inner Logan as we dive into the world of Wolverine's most iconic and formidable FOs. From the savage lands to the streets of New York City, Wolverine has faced off against some of the most powerful villains in the Marvel Universe. But who are the biggest and baddest of them all? Wolverine is a duelist hero in Marvel Rivals. He excels at close-range combat, using his claws to deal significant damage. Let's see through his abilities. One of his primary fire abilities, Savage Claw, unleashes 4 quick slashes with his adamantium claws, dealing damage equal to a percentage of the target's max health. Savage Claw, slash with adamantium claws for a claw strike. This ability deals 15 base damage and an additional 1.5% of the target's max health, with an extra 0.045% damage for each point of Berserker Rage. The first 3 strikes have an interval of 0.27 seconds between them, while the 4th strike has a 0.8 per second interval from the 3rd strike. The maximum distance for this attack is 3.5 meters. His ultimate ability, Last Stand, is a powerful attack that can hit multiple enemies at once and has the potential to keep being reused if done correctly. Last Stand, knock enemies ahead airborne and spiral through the air, sweeping up enemies along the path and delivering a devastating impact at the landing point. This ability deals 50 base damage and 10% of the target's max health, with an extra 0.3% damage for each point of Berserker Rage. The knockback range is an 8-meter spherical radius, and the knockdown time is 1 second. The impact range is also an 8-meter spherical radius, with an impact base damage of 50 and snatching damage over time of 20 per second. Feral Leap allows Wolverine to leap like an animal to snatch the first enemy upon impact and smash them to the ground. Feral Leap, leap like an animal to snatch the first enemy upon impact and smash them to the ground. This ability deals 35 damage for the snatch and 35 damage for the smash, with a knockdown duration of 0.75 seconds. After using Feral Leap, his primary fire, Savage Claw, temporarily becomes Berserk Claw Strike for seconds. Berserk Claw Strike has vastly increased attack speed and removes any delay between attacks. The leap distance is 20 meters, and the cooldown is 12 seconds. Undying Animal provides Wolverine with a significant damage reduction for a short period, allowing him to withstand heavy attacks and continue fighting. Undying Animal, unleash a fierce howl to briefly reduce incoming damage. This ability provides Wolverine with 50% damage reduction from all sources for 5 seconds. It can be activated during Feral Leap to cancel the leap prematurely while conserving its momentum, allowing Wolverine to cover more distance. The cooldown for this ability is 16 seconds. Vicious Rampage allows Wolverine to dash forward and unleash a powerful cross-claw strike. Vicious Rampage, dash forward and unleash a claw strike. This ability deals 15 base damage and an additional 1.5% of the target's max health, with an extra 0.045% damage for each point of Berserker Rage. The dash speed is 44 meters per second, with a cooldown of 3 seconds. The range is 3 meters, and the maximum distance is 7.5 meters. One of his passive abilities, Regenerative Healing Factor, allows Wolverine to heal and gain bonus health, removing all debuffs. Regenerative Healing Factor. This passive ability automatically grants Wolverine bonus health once his health depletes to 0, while also removing any debuffs he previously had. The bonus health amount scales with Wolverine's current stacks of Berserker Rage, from a base of 150 bonus health to 300 bonus health with max rage stacks. After 3 seconds, this bonus health is converted into a direct heal at a 1-to-1 ratio. This passive has a lengthy cooldown of 90 seconds once triggered, but is decreased by 10 seconds every time Wolverine eliminates an enemy or provides an assist. One of his passive abilities, Berserker Rage, builds up whenever Wolverine deals or takes damage, boosting the damage of his claw strikes and the bonus health from his regenerative healing factor. Berserker Rage. This stackable passive ability builds up whenever Wolverine deals or takes damage. Every offensive ability that successfully connects, including his ultimate, provides a different amount of stacks for Berserker Rage. Each stack grants a small bonus of percentage damage to all of Wolverine's attacks. These bonuses max out at 100 stacks. The Berserker Rage gauge is shown directly below the aiming reticle. There is also a visual indicator wherein Wolverine's claws begin looking like heated metal, in addition to his body becoming enveloped by a blood-red aura, both of which become more intense as his Berserker Rage stacks climb. At max stacks, his hair becomes spiky and red sparks periodically pulse around him. When paired with Hulk, Wolverine gains access to Metal Cannonball. Metal Cannonball, Wolverine and Hulk can interact with each other. Once both parties confirm, Hulk can lift Wolverine and press the key to hurl him forward. Wolverine will perform a feral leap upon landing, dealing damage to enemies in the area. The duration of this ability is 5 seconds, with a cooldown of 3 seconds when Wolverine is not hurled and 15 seconds after hurling Wolverine.
Coming at you.
Got a problem, bub? Talk to the Claws, Prestige Wolverine.
I will not fail.
Better stop that vehicle!
Sorry, some extra healing never hurt.
It's now or never! Stop them!
Bless me, so long.
Gifted with a powerful healing factor and razor-sharp claws, the mutant known as Logan was transformed into a living weapon when the clandestine government organization Weapon X bonded indestructible adamantium to his skeleton. Wolverine has proven to be more than just a killing machine, finding ways to rise above his pain to do what's right for mutants and humans alike.
Now you owe me one. Some sort of
Bad for tiny land.
On to
Today, no more standing.
like cats.
I will not.
Vector. Here they are. No time to waste.
Punch that talking tree into splinters.
Join Wolverine in Marvel Rivals. Master his abilities, strategize with your team, and dominate the arena with the ferocious mutant Wolverine.